Hey guys, this is Navin from Code Generator. Today in this video we are going to see how you can make a website for free with free domain name and free hosting. And the website which we are going to make can be accessed by anyone over the internet. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to launch the website. Once we launch the website, our website will be live on the internet. Hosting and domain are the two things that we need for launching the website. Hosting is the place where your website files get stored and domain is the name of your website. So to launch any website, we need to create an account in any hosting. So here we are going to create an account in ProFreeHost. So to create the account, go to profreehost.com. The ProFreeHost is the website which is going to help us create our website for free. Register now. Fill up these details too. And click here. Now check your email and activate the account. Click the activate account to activate the account. Now we have successfully created our account. So once you have created the account, we can go to get our free domain. To get your domain name, let's click create new account. And enter here the name you want for your website. I'm going to give Code Generator. As you can see, we got our domain here. This is the address which your visitor need to enter in order to reach your site. Click here to get this domain. As we can see, we got our free domain here. Once we got our domain, now we will install WordPress on our domain. WordPress is the platform on that we are going to use to create our website, and it lets you build a website easily without any coding or programming knowledge. To install WordPress, click Manage and then click Control Panel. Just scroll down. Under Software, click App Installer. And here is the WordPress. Click Install to install the WordPress. And here is the username and here is the password. We need to enter a username and password for WordPress. And the details which we entered will be used to log into our website. Click Install. As we can see, now the WordPress is successfully installed. And here we got the link to our website. So it means we have successfully launched our website for free. Click the link to check it. Now we have the default WordPress website on our selected domain. Now to change the default theme, we have to log in into our site. To log in into a site, we have to do is type /wp admin after the address. And click enter. It will get into the login page. Enter the login details which you created for your WordPress site. Login. This is the WordPress dashboard in which we can edit and control our website. So to choose our website design, we need to install a theme called Astra in WordPress. Astra is one of the top themes that is available for WordPress. It is easy to use, customizable, and comes with a ton of templates that you can use to make a beautiful WordPress site. Let's see how to download and install the Astra theme on our WordPress website. Select themes under appearance. Add new. Search here for Astra themes. Click install to install the theme on our website. Click activate. So now we have installed the theme. Now to choose your design, click get started and select Elementor here, which will make it easy for you to edit your website. There are more designs available for free and they cover most of the popular website niches like business, restaurant, fitness, photography, portfolio and more. Basically, no matter what the topic of your site might be, you will find a design package that fits on your topic. And for the purpose of this guide, I am going to pick outdoor adventure and click here to see a preview of how your site will look like. Now to apply the design to your site, just click import complete site and click import to import the site. You will notice that this installation process takes care of all the elements you will need on your site. After a minute or so, you will see the success message. Yeah, now the website imported successfully. Let's see how our sites look like. Just click view site. Finally, we got our design in our domain. Next thing is we need to build our website. To modify this design, just click edit with Elementor. This interface is called the Elementor page builder. This means that you can click any element that you see on the page and edit it directly. For example, if you want to change the main headline, just select the headline and start typing. Welcome to code generator. Next, if you want to change the text in this button, just select it and enter your own text. If you want to update this, click update. Preview changes to see the changes which we made. Hi, welcome to Code Generator, learn with us. And guys, now we'll see how to add and remove the pages. Pages are the most important in any website. It's hard to imagine a website without any pages. Most websites should have this home page, about page, services page and contact page. Home page is the first page that your visitors see when they go to your website. About page is a page explaining what your website is about. Services page, if the website you're building is for a business, use this page to showcase your services. Contact page, a page letting visitors contact you. And the take action is something in this place you can keep login or sign up page if you want. So now I'm going to show you how to remove these project pages. So for this, my blog, and click dashboard. Under pages, select all pages. And here there is the project pages. Click trash. Now go to your site, like view site. Now see here the project pages now removed. Now we will add any pages here, like for example we had blog page. Blog page is a page, a listing of your most recent blog post. If you're not planning on blogging, you can use the blog page as a place for your company news and announcement. To add pages, click here, go to your dashboard and click add new and add title type here as a blog and publish and come back and under appearance click menus and check this block and add to menu. Now the block is in the last place. If you can keep it where you want these pages. I can give it after the service page. Now go to your site. See here the block is created. Now we have a empty designs. To apply any designs we need to edit this page. To apply any ready-made designs here, click edit with Elementor. And click here Astra. Here we'll select any pages for block or free. We'll search here as block. We'll import this page into our block page. To import this page, click import template. Now we have successfully imported that page into our block page. To update this, click update and review the changes. Now we have successfully added the page. And guys, for more into this, please check out our create responsive website using WordPress video. Link is provided in the description. In that video we shown to edit the logo and change the image, modify the pages and many more. So that's it guys, this is how you can create your own website. Thank you for watching these videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up on these videos and subscribe our channel so that our daily video will